They say love is beyond logic, but our brains prove otherwise. In mere seconds, a sophisticated cascade of sensory data runs through your neural circuits, evaluating whether someone is worth noticing. Your mind is doing math, and every sense casts a vote. First comes the eyes. Beauty standards shift across cultures and centuries, yet traits signaling youth, fertility, and vitality, like glossy hair and flawless skin, are universally compelling, hinting at strong reproductive health. When your gaze lands on someone who embodies these signs, your instinct nudges you closer so your other senses can weigh in. Then comes scent. Your nose senses more than perfume. It detects pheromones, subtle chemical messages revealing genetic and physiological information. A revealing study found that men who sniffed t-shirts worn by ovulating women showed elevated testosterone levels, subtly nudging desire. Women, too, unconsciously prefer scents from men whose immune-related proteins, the MHC, differ from their own, a preference rooted in evolutionary aims for healthy offspring. Sound joins the sensory symphony. Men tend to find high-pitched, breathy voices with wide spacing more attractive, signals of smaller, youthful body size. Women, conversely, gravitate toward low-pitched tones with narrower formant spacing, hinting at larger presence and strength. These vocal cues register deep in biology, hinting at compatibility and instinctive attraction. Then touch makes its subtle mark. In one experiment, people holding a warm cup of coffee perceived an unknown person as kinder and more sociable compared to those holding an iced cup, who judged that person as cold and distant. Such embodied warmth primes our judgments, literally feeling another's character through simple contact. If all these senses pass the test, a final evaluation awaits. The first kiss. This intimate moment delivers a cocktail of tactile and chemical signals: breath, taste, closeness, so potent that many people lose attraction after a bad first kiss. It's not just romance, it's a primal assessment. Once attraction is confirmed, the body floods with norepinephrine. Your heart races, pupils dilate, and glucose surges through your veins, not in fear, but because your brain identifies something profoundly meaningful. That same chemical breeds tunnel vision, heightens memory, and warps time, explaining why your first kiss lingers forever. Romantic attraction, being the product of brain chemistry and evolutionary programming, may sound clinical, but it's the truth of how deeply biology imprints on human connection. It means when you feel drawn to someone, your entire system, from sight to smell, sound to touch, is collaborating in silent agreement. As you reflect on the next time someone catches your eye, remember that warm flutter in your chest is not random. It's your whole body, finely tuned by survival, schooling every sense to assess, decide, and remember. That unforgettable spark isn't magic, it's biology in beautiful motion.